she made, guys.
Yeah.
Crinkles? Cake?
Big brownies.
Oh, brownie.
Hi guys. Look what Gray gave me. It's so cute. Oh. Nom nom nom. Hello. Gumo. Yan.
Huwag ka mauga. Hmm?
Hi guys. Hi. I don't want my bushy eyebrows anymore. Oh, we're gonna taste this. I mean, she already did, but like, I'm gonna taste this thing I got from. She got from the
My
canteen.
card.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go.
No. Oh, it tastes like a normal milk tea. That's weird.
I know, that's why I was like,
Milk tea in a,
it
like
says
a
there's
can.
tapioca.
Oh wait, look! It looks like a heart.
I feel them.
Oh, girl core.
Oh girl, me too. It's kind
Girl core.
of like, wow, we're so aesthetic.
Hi guys.
Like outside? Goopy wooby goobish.
Ano daw?
Goopy woofer. Goopy woofer. Gooper woofer.
Goofy goober?
Yeah.
Ano yan?
Hey guys! Today we're going to skate again. Because yesterday was my first time, that was why I was excited. But right now I'm not excited. I'm scared. Don't worry guys, she's gonna do fine. It's gonna be fun. Just make sure, like, don't let your fear get the best of you. You know? So we're skating and I'm doing so bad. Hi! Oh my god! heck is that? Is that bird poop? Oh my gosh, wait.
Oh, that was so fun. But I had mine.
So we're done. I'm so done. Dali, gawin natin. One.
Oh?
Go, go.
Gusto ko yung TikTok eh.
Go, go.
Ha?
Go, go, go.
Ano?
Go. Kiro, kiro.
Bakit?
We can make our own sound.
I'm so tired.
Ask mo siya. She probably
Hi guys.
Sino ka? Diba? Don't you see?
Wait, we have to do this.
High school? I don't come from here.
Hi guys. So, there's an open house right now.
Who chose that?
I like the fast one.
Hi guys. What are we playing? Is it baseball?
We are doing baseball.
Yes.
We are trying.
Yeah. It's fun. Hashtag anger
To a certain
management.
extent. To a certain extent, it's fun.
Yes. When you use your fingers.
And I can't let these break off.
Yes.
I agree.